The topic of today's sermon is get the most out of life. There is nothing better for humans than to be glad and do justice as long as they live. It is more excellent for people to be happy and enjoy themselves moderately during their lifetime. The best thing that mankind can do during their existence are to obey the instructions of their Maker and enjoy life. There's nothing better than assisting others. Have a good time and get the most you can out of life. This is according to the book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 3, verse 12. And I will read, I know that nothing is better for them than to rejoice and do good in their lives. Though the best thing is for you to be cheerful and enjoy what is good in your life. However, do not forget to do right and assist others. Rejoice and do the best you can while you are still alive, but do things calmly and moderately. May the Lord bless His words.